Hello viewers, welcome back to new tutorial for Gcash. Please check your internet connection and try again problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Following all steps, do not skip. Go to phone setting, search Gcash, click on Gcash app info, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Go to Google Play Store, search Gcash, update Gcash app if showing on Play Store. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode just few seconds. Now go to Gcash app, click on OK. Gcash internet connection problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.